Hey there! Managing multiple accounts and collaborating effectively can feel overwhelming at times, but do not worry. Today I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to secure and organize your digital accounts alongside Excalidraw for visual collaboration. Together, these tools will help you master your online platforms like a pro. Let's get started. First of all, download the Gemini 2.0 and sign in or sign up with your account. Okay? And basically, you can log in with your account and you're going to be able to see all your saved information or credentials inside the Gemini, right? I'm going to change it to Gemini 2.0 for the sake of this video, right? And you can see that your chat's saved at the top left right here, right? You don't need to do anything. And you can enable the two-factor authentication by clicking your avatar icon at the top right. Click manage your account and you're going to see security and enable the two-step verification, right? And add your password for verification. So I'm gonna add my own password. And as you can see right here, this is the steps to create your own two-factor authentication. You can use passkey or facial recognition or Google prompt or authenticator, right? Using authenticator app, or add phone number so they can text or voice calling you to verify your account, right? Make sure that you give access to auto filling your password. So I'm gonna type right here password, right? And allow automatic right here. You can see the view autofill settings. Make sure that you allow autofill from the passwords, right? As for Excalidraw though, right? Open the excalidraw.com or install the desktop app if you're using the PC, and you can experiment with its simple drawing tools for brainstorming, right? Or flow charts or and mind gaps. You can click right here the library at the top and you can go ahead and add your projects, right, or templates from here. Okay, you can also add text or sketches if you want to draw, or add images or take a photo to add it to Excalidraw, right? You can use live and collaboration. Click the three bars at the bottom left and click the live collaboration and copy the link to collaborate with other people, and they will see the name Busy Dog. Okay, so next, combine Gemini 2.0 and Excalidraw. So you can use Gemini 2.0, right, to log in to Excalidraw, right? Because you're using Google, so in your case, I'm using Google as well. So I'm integrating those accounts separately because they're not integrated in a way, but they're well connected in terms of information and data. So they collect data, and you can collaborate with other people securely, right? And you can save credentials for cloud storage and communication chats in Gemini 2.0 for instant access while working on Excalidraw. As we mentioned before, you can click the chats at the top left and you're gonna see right here the last chat, right? As you can see right here. And you can optimize your workflow with the Excalidraw. You can use Excalidraw for creating detailed plans and workflows while relying on Gemini 2.0 to give you related accounts or give you a quick explanation about how to draw this, right? Or do this, right? And stay secure. Make sure and monitor that you updated the Google Gemini to the latest version. And as we mentioned before, make sure that you enable the two-factor authentication. And make sure that you back up everything. You can use Excalidraw to sync, to basically save files or save your data or projects. Click the three bars at the bottom left, click Save To. Excalidraw format. So whenever you use any other device other than your own device, you're gonna be able to sync and continue editing your project immediately. With Gemini 2.0, managing your account in Excalidraw, empowering your visual creativity, you can master your digital platforms like never before. Give these tools a try and let me know how they've transformed your workflow in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Until next time, happy creating.